In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a banner slider in the Shopify Dawn theme, and we'll accomplish this in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to boost the visual appeal of your online store, a banner slider can be a game changer. It enhances the user experience by showcasing multiple products or promotions in one prominent spot. So let's dive straight into the process and get your store looking fantastic. Firstly, let's head over to the Shopify website. If you're not logged in yet, begin by clicking on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've done that, click on continue with email. Now, you'll need to input your password. After typing in your password, go ahead and click login to access your Shopify dashboard. Great. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your store's settings. Click on My Store to enter the main dashboard of your Shopify store. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. You'll see a sub-menu unfold. In this menu, select Themes. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Themes section, you're going to click on the Customize option. This takes you to the theme editor, your canvas for updating the look and feel of your store. At the theme editor, look for the Add Section button and click on it. A list of available sections will appear. Find and click on Slideshow to add that component to your home page. Now the slideshow is added, but it's not quite in the right spot yet. Click back and you'll be brought to the layout view. From here, simply drag the newly added slideshow section to the top of the section list to make sure it catches your customer's attention straight away upon loading the site. Next up, click on slideshow once more to start customizing it to your liking. It's important to select a layout that suits your store's vibe. You can play around with these options to see what works best. Aim to choose ambient movement for the image behavior, which adds a modern dynamic touch as your customers view each image in the slider. You're now ready to add some descriptions to the slides themselves. Craft compelling and concise descriptions that tell your customers exactly what they're looking at and why it matters. With those steps completed, click back again and you'll find the image slide option. Click on it and you'll have the ability to select the images you want to display. Choose clear, high quality images that are representative of your brand. Continue to edit each image and text until each slide of your banner expresses the message you want to convey. Finally, you've done all the setup, so make sure to click on save before closing out the editor. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully added a banner slider to your Shopify Dawn theme. Congratulations on making your store more engaging and visually appealing. Thank you for watching.